Hello world, my name is Steve.
And I'm Virginia.
And we are Thrift Team.
Yay.
Today we're going to talk to you about low cost and free supplies that you can use to ship items on eBay.
Alright, so I'm going to go with free 2-part UPS shipping labels for the printer. You can order a 50 count pack. I don't know how often. I think as often as you want.
No, it's like every week or two.
Oh.
Because I've tried before and then it said no.
Okay, well there's a time limit on it, but I don't know how much it is.
Unless you're selling like crazy, the time limit works. We usually have some left over. So
yeah,
those are free. Just go to UPS.com.
UPS.com. Make an account. You can use Facebook to sign in.
And here's a little trick. These do say for UPS only on the top, but just give them a little snip, and then they won't say that. Because I don't think that it matters anyways, but it might look a little odd if you're shipping it to the post office and it says that.
Maybe like a little.
So we just give it a little Sharpie, a little rip, a little snip, whatever you want to call it, and then it's fine. And you know, it's all being used sourcefully anyways.
Yes. And okay, so also if you have an eBay store, you can get eBay branded shipping supplies. And is it quarterly or so? They give you a...
If you have a store, you get it quarterly, about like $30 or something, which
coupon.
I think it's like 50 of these for like $30 or something like that.
Well, they have other
things, but these are perfect, especially if you're shipping in a hat like this. See, now I don't have to make a whole new video on how to ship a hat. They just put it right in here and they fit perfectly. It's ready to go. And good old Joe will be really happy when he gets that best hat.
Oh, yes.
All right.
Looks very professional. There's also co-branded eBay and USPS priority boxes and stuff you can get from USPS.com. There's also a link on Selling Center on eBay to order those, and that's just exactly like the already free priority boxes, but they say eBay. So it's super pro tip.
Yes.
You
want a tip that is pro, go with that. Yes. Also, make sure you're saving all this stuff. We do a lot of selling or buying off Prime also because we love it. And if you save these, you can reuse them. You can either use them as to resell because the post office does not really care. Just make sure you either cross out or rip that off. Or you can even use it as dunnage. You just put it inside wherever you're packing.
Yeah.
Keeps it extra safe so Joe's hat gets there. Nice.
And if you're super creative, you can use a really strong shredder and shred this crap.
And say crap.
And send that on
its
way.
There's no FCC on it.
Okay.
Plus it's shut down right now.
That's right.
Alright, so that's a few tips. We're trying to get this channel going, so it's still relatively new as we flipped from the Bolo to the Thrift Team. If you have anything that you want to see, please put it down there in the comments. Otherwise, please come right here. This way. This way. A little more. Point that way. Point up that way. Please subscribe. Right there. Hit that little button and subscribe. It's hard to do because we can't see it till we edit. That's it. We'll see you next time. I'm Steve.
I'm Virginia.
And we are Thrift Team. Sorry.
Bye.